was really amazing. It's a great honor for all of us. It's a film that makes you think and introspect. Going on a crusade to attack people, I don't think that's the intention of the film. You know, all of us, first of all, are human beings. So I think that first you react on a human level to a film. It's not a farmer film. It's a rural and urban film. It makes us think about where we are headed and what our priorities are. Please call up your friend Salman and show us Dabangg. So there was the excitement around me, made me realize that the promo is really good. Hi, this is Aamir Khan and you're watching BollywoodHungama.com.
कौन कहता है आसमां में छेद हो नहीं सकता? कौन कहता है आसमां में छेद हो नहीं सकता? एक पत्थर तो तबीयत से उछालो यारो. We have with us someone who loves to throw challenges before himself and comes out triumphant each time. Aamir Khan, honored to have you back on Bollywood Hungama.
Thank you. Pleasure.
I believe you just had a screening of Peeply Live for Prime Minister Manmohan Singh.
That's right.
So how was that experience?
It was really amazing because, first of all, we were all thrilled that he was seeing the film. And so there was Anusha, Mahmood, me and Ronnie and Omkar and Raghuji were there. And we were all really happy and excited that he was watching it. It's a great honor for all of us. He and his family and friends were watching it, and after the screening he spoke about the film. He really liked it. He said that the way the film shows that there are two Indias and we are making an effort and we should continue to make an effort to have inclusive growth and include everyone in the country in that. These are some of the things he said. He said the film was very thought-provoking and something that makes you think about what's happening.
There is a perception that the film definitely, it leaves nobody, like be the media, be it the politicians, be it the bureaucracy. There's a perception Aamir ne kisi ko nahi choda.
Well, it's not my script. It's not something that I'm going on a crusade to attack people. I don't think that's the intention of the film. The film is actually about civil society. It includes all of us. In the film, you will notice that there are people going on candle marches. So about Natha, but they don't even know who he is, what his problems are. So it actually includes all of us, really, in a sense. And it's a time to introspect, I feel. It's a film that hopefully makes you think and introspect.
Rajiv Sardesai on Twitter has said that saw Peeply Live last night, loved it. A film we can all be proud of. Hats off to Aamir, Anusha, Mahmood and gang. Some of the media caricaturing was over the top in Peeply, but it was good-natured, happy to laugh at my tribe.
Well, I have to say that the media has shown a lot of maturity and grace in reacting to the film, because certainly the film is taking a satirical and humorous view at all of us, including the media. And so, in my opinion, the media has reacted with a lot of maturity and grace, because I think that the media, all of us, first of all, are human beings. And before you're a media person, you're a human being. So I think that first you react on a human level to a film.
आज उसने आत्महत्या करने का फैसला कर लिया है. ये भाग यहाँ से. हमारा टाइम फालतू में खराब मत कर.
जब से आत्महत्या की बात सुनी, तो आत्मा तो बहुत ही घबरा रही. कैसे अंडे खाएंगे, कैसे चिलम पिएंगे.
Well, the film is, since it's satire, it's taking one point of view. And that's not the only truth. I mean, there are a lot of people in media doing good work. There are a lot of politicians. I mean, our own Prime Minister, for example, is someone who has a high level of integrity, someone who is, very, very sincere towards what he's doing. So you have all kinds of people in society in different fields, That's the whole truth. So this is not a film that shows you the whole truth, but it's showing you one aspect of it, which is also what brings out the humor.
आपका बेटा नत्था आत्महत्या की कगार पे खड़ा है. कैसा महसूस कर रही हैं आप?
बीड़ी लो बीड़ी. हाँ? बीड़ी दो तब बताओ मैं.
what the bureaucrat says that we have ordered a judicial inquiry and it's going on. He keeps on saying that again and again. All right, but still, it has run into a bit of a controversy that regarding Lal Bahadur Shastri's name, and even there's a certain section which feels that the family of Natha was not maybe shown in a proper light in terms of the farmers. So what do you have to say about that?
I mean, the first reference you made is, I think all of us have very high regard and respect for Shri Lal Bahadur Shastri, our late Prime Minister, and all of us have very high regard for him. And so the film actually doesn't refer to him at all. The film refers to a scheme that is made in his name, and often there are schemes made in names of earlier leaders.
Natha's family was, maybe it was shown as if like they're only after the money and they were not really keen on him.
I've always been saying right from the start, if you remember correctly in all our interviews and wherever I've spoken about it, for me the film is not a film about farmer suicides. It's not a film that goes into the problems, the genuine problems that farmers are facing, and what are the issues that are confronting them. The film never goes into that. It's not a film about that. It's a film more about the growing divide between urban and rural India. So it's not a farmer film, it's a rural and urban film. And I think it's a film that is sincerely attempting to, and does, to a very large degree, highlight all these aspects. And it sensitizes people towards rural India, including farmers. But it doesn't only isolate farmers, it's including life or issues that rural India faces, or the fact that how urban India is unaware of people living in rural India, which is the bulk of our population. So it's a very sincere film which is making an attempt to do that. And in my opinion, the reactions that I've got, it has done that.
Natha marega, jarur marega.
Natha ab nahi marega.
अगर अगले 2 दिन के भीतर नत्था नहीं मरा ना, तो हम तुम्हें मार देंगे.
A lot of people have, including the media, has said that this is a film that really shows us and makes us think about where we are headed and what our priorities are.
You're looking forward to Dabangg big time?
I am. I think that the promos are really exciting. After very long, a lot of my friends, my dentist, various people around me, I was traveling at that time when the promo had released. I had not seen it. So I got a lot of text messages saying, please call up your friend Salman and show us Dabangg, and So there was the excitement around me, made me realize that the promo is really good. Because obviously they've loved it and they're waiting to see it. So I can feel the buzz around the film, and I'm really happy for Salman and the entire team, Arbaz and the director and everyone, that the film is so anticipated. It's a film that is very, very mainstream, promises a lot of entertainment. It's something that audiences are looking forward to.
So when are you watching it at Dabangg?
Well, let me see. I'll probably catch it in London then. Yeah? Let's see.